Hi everybody. This is Doe on the jumper and the old one. Today's August 4th, 2008. And he's just kind of looking around, bouncing, jumping, and playing around, being all smiles. All smiles. Okay. Say hi. Say hi, bà ngoại. I miss you. Hi, dì Phượng, chú Ảnh, dì Thanh, dì Vân, chú Đạo. Everybody? Okay. See y'all later. Bye.